This is the NAVIFORCE Men's Waterproof Sports Watch. This is a watch with a leather strap, and it's digital and analog watch that falls into the luxury sports watch style. We're talking 30 meters water resistant. This is great for daily use because it's waterproof, for hand washing, raining, or splash, but it's not suitable for swimming, diving, or shower. This has an 8-digit multifunction display, which can display the time, minute and second, day, month, week, dual time, 12 and 24-hour time format can be selected. Also, functions include alarm, hourly chime, 1/100th of a second chronograph, and luminous hands that glow in the dark. The brains of the operation is a Japanese quartz movement that keeps accurate time. With its backlit display, it makes it easy to view the time even at night. So the sizing is 45 millimeter for the case diameter. Case material is zinc alloy. Case thickness is 16 millimeter. The band length is 24.5 centimeters and the band width is 22 millimeter. The mineral glass is high quality and clear and hard. Coming in at a reasonable price for a luxurious looking watch like this, I think it's a great deal. And it's a great look for business casual and sportswear. So NAVIFORCE model NF-9134 is a great pickup.